Good evening, all. First of all, I thank you all in patience with us for taking decision regarding TMCA CMA 2020. As you are aware, the situation in Kerala has worsened. Contrary to our expectations of relief from the COVID-19 scenario, we thought of clearing by end of July. But with the third phase and fourth phase, the third phase going on just started and fourth phase pending, we are in a real fix. So the TMCA academic team had a deliberation with everyone, including you all, and as per your feedbacks, we have come to certain planning. We initially thought of having live sessions online and supported by the app and then by our crash sessions. We appreciate your commitment to TMCA till the last point of time. Regretfully, the contact directed sessions is unlikely to start before September, at least because of the scenario becoming really bad in Kerala now. So, with this contest, very painfully, we have taken decision to suspend all the contact programs till we get a clear picture of what is going to happen in the COVID-19, considering the safety of all of us and abiding to the government directions. As you are aware, we will continue the live classes online continuously, and it will be planned by Dr. Ashish, and it will be covering most of the topics online. We will not charge, or it will be open to all who have registered with us for CME 2020, and it will be accessible to all of you for your continuous programs freely. When we make it freely, don't think that we are compromising on the quality. Some of our lead faculties are due to prior commitments may not be there, but we will be bringing very good faculties for the program in this COVID scenario. When we say lead faculties, remember, most of these lead faculties took their first class in TMCA only. So don't worry about the quality of the program. We will be covering all the topics. You can join the classes by TMCA provided they should send an email from your ID stating name, address and phone numbers. We will be sending the link, and we may make a provision in our website also to get the schedule in www.tmcaa.org. We are also planning to have an interactive forums with you between probably every 8 weeks by our lead faculties whom with you can actually clear your doubts. It will be something like discussion forums. You read up the subject and you can clear up the doubts. We will think about a crash program towards whenever it is possible before the exam. And I cannot exactly give the timings because none of us are clear about the evolving scenario. But the live program online will be planned and will be continued as scheduled. We will think about a crash program towards whenever it is possible before the exam, and I cannot exactly give the timings because none of us are clear about the scenario. But the live program online will be planned and will be continued as per our initial commitment with whichever faculty is available. Our discussions forum will include all the webinars which will be conducted with our lead faculties, and they will be part of that program. The app we could not provide you because the fact that the app was not complete when we were trying to capture the app and was not according to the faculty list provided initial faculty list and approved professional list of the doc app does not match our requirements. So we thought it will not be useful to you. So that is the reason why thought of proceeding with the live program and proposed crash program whenever the situation evolves and which you can further register. It is a very painful decision for us to reduce into this format, and we will possibly be along with you through this year live interactive forum, and we will come back as soon as COVID situation evolves with the comprehensive academic program. So with these words, I wish all of you a very safe 2020, and please continue reading. Please interact with us in this live forum. We will be covering almost all subjects as much as possible with our faculties who are committed to do. And Dr. Ashish will put up the list and the academic forum will support you. Once again, a big sorry from us. It is a sorry period for all of us around the globe. We need to adjust to that, but your commitment to reading, please continue, because TMCA is always being part of the students and student community, and we shall continue to be so. Thank you so much. And I'm Dr. Tajan, talking on behalf of the Executive Committee of TMCA, and this is the authorized talk. Thank you.